ASK has been an asset and wealth management firm for the last 30 years, and it's been in the most ethical business in the security space. And it has grown multifold to almost 70-80,000 crores of AUM over the last 30 years. For us, we are into the business of customers because it's the customer's money that we are playing with. It's our duty to ensure that the customer satisfaction, customer experience is on top priority. And the most important thing means, how do I disseminate this information to the customer? How do I keep him updated on all the trends of business? Are some of the key areas that we look and work with customers. In the last 5 to 6 years, ASK has significantly invested very heavily into technology, which actually starts right from customer experience, customer satisfaction, onboarding, enabling automation within the organizations. We replaced the entire back-end application, migrated last 20-30 years of data to ensure that smooth operations runs in. Secondly, we invested heavily into Salesforce so that we actually take care of all the customer requirements and manage it very well. We are also the forerunners in actually taking many of the things, whether it is customer service, onboarding, automation, reporting, all these areas to the cloud in its very first instance. And also in terms of integration with their various third-party vendors across the value chain is something that ASK has been doing for the last 4-5 years. And today it has borne results. Actually, we have gone into a very large amount of savings in the terms of process automation, in terms of using technology more effectively and efficiently. We started off with the sales and service cloud. The sales team has actually managed to use the sales thing very effectively in terms of managing their customers, getting the numbers, getting the reports out of the system, identifying hot clients, warm clients, cold clients, classification of the customer, the segmentation of the customers, getting reports printed out of the system for their customers. Similarly, they have also done for onboarding of the customers. We have also developed the entire loan origination and risk management framework on Salesforce. The third party, that is what we call today's terms as independent financial advisors, are completely integrated to Salesforce using the API architecture of Salesforce. So as a whole organization, Salesforce becomes a very important part of our business, and it is also continuously syncing with our core backend systems to provide the AUM, the networks, the data, the transaction and financial data. So Salesforce also acts as a backup to many of the transactional data that we have in the system, so enable customer service to work more efficiently. If you come back to the customer service part of it, the customer service part is completely automated in terms of using NER, NLP kind of algorithms, so that whenever customers send a mail, automatically it gets processed into the Salesforce structure. The mails are automatically sent out, reports are already sent out, customer interactions are done through Salesforce, tracking and logging of things are done through Salesforce. With Salesforce, we have implemented Customer 360 using Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, so that we get a complete view of the customer, not only in terms of sales, but in terms of also the various interactions that we have at various points in time. We also use Tableau reports, which is a part of giving me the overall integrated view about the customer. We are also using tools like Einstein Analytics, which also gets into the details of how to determine what is important, what is not, what kind of reporting structures and hierarchies need to be followed. How do we respond back to the customer at various instances of customer queries that come in. And as we go along, there are many things that we plan to do, increasing amount of AI into that areas. And also something like AI and GPT coming together with Salesforce will enhance and be a huge value proposition for the entire organization.